Updating your legal name on Xbox Live is a straightforward process that ensures your account reflects your current identity. Follow these steps to make the change quickly. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft account website and sign in using the credentials associated with your Xbox Live account. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Once signed in, locate the Your Info section. This is where you can manage your personal information, including your name. Step 3. Select Edit Name. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Input your new legal name in the provided fields. Make sure to double check for any spelling errors before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new name, click the Save button to apply the changes. You may need to verify your identity through email or phone before the update is finalized. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name on Xbox Live will be updated. Enjoy your gaming experience with your new identity.